Welcome back, history enthusiasts. In today's captivating episode, we dive deep into a topic that combines ancient mythology, secret societies, and the Nazi regime. We're talking about the Nazi quest for Atlantis. The Nazis, known for their relentless pursuit of power and domination, sought to unlock the secrets of Atlantis, the legendary lost city said to possess untold knowledge and unimaginable power. But what drove their fascination with this ancient civilization? To understand the Nazi obsession with Atlantis, we must explore their expeditions and the figures who dedicated themselves to this quest. From Heinrich Himmler, the SS leader who formed the Unraveling Society, to Rudolf Hess, who sought connections between Atlantis and Aryan supremacy, the Nazis left no stone unturned in their pursuit of this mythical city. Their search took them to far-flung locations, examining ancient texts, maps, and archaeological sites in a desperate attempt to uncover the truth. They believed that by finding Atlantis, they could tap into its advanced technology and use it to further their own agenda. But the Nazi quest for Atlantis wasn't just about historical curiosity. It was intertwined with their fascination with occult practices and esoteric beliefs. They believed that unlocking the secrets of Atlantis would grant them access to hidden realms of power and spiritual enlightenment. The legacy of their pursuits extends far beyond their time. Their quest for Atlantis influenced popular culture, inspiring movies, books, and conspiracy theories that continue to captivate our imaginations. Join us as we separate fact from fiction, examining the historical context and uncovering the truth behind the Nazi quest for Atlantis. We'll explore the impact it had on the fields of archaeology and mythology, and how it shaped our understanding of ancient civilizations. So, get ready for an intriguing journey into the mysteries of the past, as we delve into the Nazi quest for Atlantis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest historical investigations. Let's dive into the depths of history together.